Hi guys, lovely sunny day in Benidorm today. 24 degrees if not more. We're going for a ride along the Avenida Mediterrano. We're going to have a look at these new installations that they're putting in. Some colourful statues being put in of animals apparently, ready for you guys coming back to Benidorm. They're in until around July, I believe they will be here. Unique exhibition. So we're going to go and have a look and see what we can see. I'm on my scooter again today. I'm filming a little bit differently, so you'll have to let me know if it works, guys. As you can see, guys, displays are just up ahead of us. So we will go up and we will have a look at them. Look very big and very grand, very colourful. We have a few here on display. Just let the traffic go by. And here we have some little mices. Have a look. See little mices, can you see, guys? Very good. Very colourful. And then just turn around. I don't think there's any more down there. Just turn around. And we will come back up. We'll have a look at these other displays here. You can see. Road has been closed off. We have here two little pigs. I hope you can see. Very nice, very colourful. There's a poor little pig on his side. He's not been put in yet. Probably got to go on top of the other one. And we're here. We have a very beautiful, colourful pig. Looking very smart, very grand. Make sure that we get him. think there's probably some others going in, so maybe worth coming back down again when they're all in. And we have very colourful little monkey guys, you see him? The colour's beautiful. Absolutely stunning guys. Really beautiful. Let's go and look at this one now. We have a rhinoceros. Isn't he grand? What do you think? I'm just taking a lot of time doing these. Colours on these truly amazing, guys. And then we go back round. We will try and cross over. I'm going to have a look at these ones the other side. Nice. Cross. We have a camel, I believe. Lovely colours. And here, guys, we have, well, I think possibly is another pig. I think. Little pig on top, on his back. A bit like the one on the other side. Piggy riding. And here, absolutely stunning. We have this absolutely gorgeous ram. Sheep, I believe he is. Beautiful colours. Look at his legs. On the back, you see the paintings on the back? Like spaceships, all sorts. Got persons and flowers. And I think going on into town we have some more. So we should go and have a look. Letting some of the traffic go by. We have some more here. Very bright, very colourful. See if I can quickly nip across. Can't get him right out. Oh. We have some more here. Not sure. I think these maybe will be pandas of some kind. I haven't got the heads on yet, as you can see. Poor things are missing the heads. Then we have these two gorgeous birds here, sadly on some temporary stands at the moment. I think eventually they will get some more permanent stands. Very pretty, very colourful. Don't seem to be any more around here. I have heard there may be some more by the town hall. So let's go and have a look. What do you think of them, guys? Are they nice? Are they colourful? Do we like them? Do you think they do brighten the place up? When you are allowed back, guys, would it be something that you're going to want to come and see? Seems to be some more up here. Go up and have a look. And hopefully, guys, we're getting a good view of these. We have, I don't know. It's a cat. What do you think? I think it's a cat. Or is he a mouse? Because of the teeth, maybe? A rabbit, possibly? Yeah, it could be a rabbit. He has a rabbit painted on him. This one here as well. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Maybe a llama. No, what do we think, guys? Let's go and have a look, see if there's any more. I think the cap idea kind of works, but does need a bit of work done to it because it's a bit tippy at the moment. I think maybe there's a little bit of tightening up, maybe, guys. A bit better, maybe. Hopefully it'll stop on my head a bit better now. Go off and see what we can see. Nice shops, nice clothes, Marilyn Monroe. I think this cat thing's really working. I think the phone's making it a bit top heavy. See if I raise my head too much. Kind of want you guys to be getting the kind of view that I'm getting. So, no more down there. have some nice flowers here. People about shopping. Can't see that there's any more down in town. So we will go. Have a look at the shed. Bit of a hold up there. I don't know what's going on, but while they're messing about up there, I'll get across. Cute little dog. Telling me off. Let's go along here, see if there's any more. Coming up now towards the town hall. Place resembles kind of a skyscraper sort of thing, guys. As you can see, there's some activity up here. No, I don't think the installations are actually in up here as yet. But we'll go up and have a look anyway while we're here. Yeah, as I thought, these are going to be the swans. I haven't actually gone into placement as yet. I'm going to be there on the platform. I'm sure they look grand once they're in. So there you go, guys. Hope you have enjoyed today's little video. Let's go around. There's the neck. And then the heads. I'm sure they look much better once they're put together. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm Scooter Sue. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the videos. Make sure that you see more like this. And if you click on the video that's coming up now on your screen, you'll be able to watch another great video. Thank you, stay safe. Hasta luego.